Welcome back, guys. Well, I've been having a problem with my my DPF. It keeps coming up with a check engine light, and got my computer out this morning, and it said low efficiency bank 1, which is the DPF. So I got online, tried to figure out what the low proficiency was, and give me 3 things. 1, DPF is bad. 2, could be a bad sensor. 3, it could be an exhaust leak. So we're gonna do the easy part first and check all the sensors. So, got a wrench, probably not the right size knowing my luck. And we're gonna check sensors. So what we're checking first is the what they call the 9th injector.
You want to show them what it looks like?
Well, the 9th injector is for your DEF fluid.
You want to show them what it looks like or where it is?
The 9th injector, if I can show it. Well, not really. Either that's not focusing or my eyeballs aren't focusing.
If you tap it, it'll probably focus.
All right. Well, there it is. It's right there. You'll see my wrench on it. And right here is the connector for it, and it goes all the way up to your tank. And so we're going to check that thing today. All right. This is your DEF injector right here. What we're going to do is we're going to spray this with this MAP airflow sensor cleaner, and hopefully it feels like it's already loosening up. So
It's definitely cleaner than it was.
So this right here will pop out and shoot DEF. And I'm still gonna go behind the same thing I've always said. DEF is the killer of diesels. And
now they're changing their mind about it, but it's too late.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna spray it and just keep working it, and just keep cleaning it, and then we're gonna put it back in, and we're gonna see what it does. All right. What we're gonna do is just clean this off with this brush here.
I can't see it.
Well, sorry guys. So that's a stainless brush right here, and doesn't leave any bad particulates on anything. So we're just gonna clean this thing off in hopes that this works. If not, then we'll just have to go buy another one. And I don't want to go buy another one because it's $150. So, but you can see the heat marks on it. Y'all probably can't, but I can. So it feels like it's loosening up in there.
It definitely was coated, that's for sure.
Well, it's gonna get coated regardless. And all right, now we're gonna put it back in and hope for the best. Now you guys are probably thinking, man, you're doing a lot of work on this truck. Well, this truck's got 330,000 miles on it. And it's been going really good for about, what do you say, about 8 months?
Well, we've had problems with it since we started Hotshot.
Yeah.
But that wasn't our fault. That was a something that should have been recalled, but they didn't recall it. Now there's a huge lawsuit against it because it destroyed our fuel system, and we've been having problems ever since.
Yeah, the L5P injector pump, which is I can't remember the name of the pump itself, but
our truck it had no problems until that injector, and they decided not to recall it, and so they're not owning up to the mistake they made, and so now we're having to fix everything.
Which is okay. And I know some of y'all are like, man, let's go buy another truck.
Well, the problem is they're still keeping that injector on there.
Yeah, the new trucks have the same injector.
That, and it's a 2017.
Well, the new Fords, the new Chevys, and the new Dodges all have the same exact injector pump.
Can I see it through here?
I don't know. I'm just putting this back into where I got it, and looking for that. We're just gonna tighten it up real quick. So. Okay, so that's back in place. So the problem with DEF is it's ammonia, and so it crystallizes. And if you get it to crystallize inside your tube housing, well, then you got problems. And unfortunately, those minor problems that really don't hurt anything. Let me unplug this computer here. Will just continuously plague your truck. And putting DEF on a vehicle is probably the worst idea anybody ever had. It just causes so many problems. But, you know, diesel burns cleaner than any other fuel out there. Let's go ahead and just mess it all up. So,
thank you, California.
Thank you, California. So, that's about all we got today. We're gonna start this truck back up, and well, let's start it up. Let's see what happens.
We'll let you know how it goes.
Well, hold on. Well, no check engine light.
Did you turn it off?
Nope. So, we'll see how far it goes.
We're gonna go test drive it and let you know how it goes. Okay.
Right, here we are on a complete stop. We were blowing smoke before, and well, I don't see any more smoke. Do you see any more smoke?
Not that I can see.
There we go. I think that was a win. And no more check engine light either. I'm gonna call that a win. And here we go. Let's see a takeoff. Yeah, there's still a bit of smoke coming out. Maybe that wasn't 100% wind yet. So, went through a sandstorm the other day. We didn't videotape that, unfortunately. I wish we would have. So, gonna check out the air filter. We're up here at the AutoZone. All right. So, I was reading that a clogged air filter will cause you to blow black smoke.
Didn't we see that and it looked fine?
We're gonna check it again. Well, probably pretty clogged. It's all black. This part here ain't black though. A lot of sand coming out of it. See all that coming out of it?
Yeah. Well, probably not.
Oh yeah, you saw that? Here we go. Look at that. Probably can't see that on the video.
Yeah. Grass too.
All right. I'm gonna go buy a filter. I'll be right back. All right, look at all that sand that come out of that filter. Oh my Lord. That's a lot.
Now, we've been having this problem before the sandstorm, though.
No.
No?
No. That sandstorm was right there in New Mexico, Texas line right there.
Oh, I thought you said yesterday.
Uh-uh. No. Remember that sandstorm that we went through?
Well, not only the sandstorm, but we're also going through the fires in the west side.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the fires were causing all kinds. What's happening, Robbie? Fires were causing all kinds of issues with everything.
We love having you.
And so y'all already watched me do this once. I didn't think I needed to explain it before.
No.
And the problem with that filter is I looked at it before and it looked pretty clear. So I didn't think nothing of it. But as you can see, all that sand, well, it's the same color. As the filter is white, so it didn't look like it was dirty, but boy, it darn sure was. So I'm gonna give this a shot and see what happens.
Well, that air filter has been through more than one sandstorm.
Yeah. So now we know when you go through a sandstorm, you might want to clean your stuff out. So it's been on there for a while. Let's just wipe all this sand off of here so we don't suck it back up in there. Man, there was a lot of sand that come out of that filter. Wow. Can't believe all that sand that come out of there. Okay. Well, now we're gonna go for another drive. Oh, did you see that? I made it from all the way over here. That's awesome. Yeah. You gotta take the little wins.
Good job, baby. Good job.
Yeah, buddy. Watch your arms there, baby. All right, guys, we'll catch y'all here in a minute. All right.
So his traction control light came on after replacing the air filter. And what did you forget to connect?
The connector to the air intake. That was my bad. Okay, now traction control went back off. Because I didn't plug in the air intake connector. Like a big old daggum dummy. There. Now everything is working just like it's supposed to. And we're still pushing black smoke. Alright guys, what's happening? I'm back with you. So, we were having a black smoke issue, and we did a lot of research, and we cleaned out the 9th injector, and we still had a little bit of black smoke. So we went and got a new air filter. Come to find out, that thing was just full of sand. By looking at it, it looked white, so it didn't look too bad. When I changed it the other day, you guys saw that, or not changed it, but pulled it out the other day, you guys saw that.
Today.
And no, the other day when I did the hose.
Oh, yeah.
It didn't look dirty. So we did it today, and I shook it, and it looked like a bag of sand come out of it. Well, we changed the air filter. There was still just a tiny tidbit of black smoke, and I was still concerned about it, so I called my mechanic friend. And calling my mechanic friend, I asked him about the black smoke. And I told him, I said, the only time that the black smoke comes out is when I just absolutely smash on the gas, like just all the way to the floor, and that's the only time the black smoke comes out. And he told me that was normal. So, things you didn't know for 500, Alex. And so, we drove it for a little bit longer, and just a tiny tidbit of black smoke comes out when we smash on the gas, so I'm going to call it good. It's another win. So it wasn't, apparently it wasn't near as tragic as I thought it was going to be. It was just a little TLC. And there you go. So if y'all got any questions, answers, or comments, or if you want to troll, please troll me. I got some thick ass skin. And you know, if you don't like what I'm doing, let me know. And if you want to see something different, or if you want to see something cool, this is Hotshot Trucking, man. It's boring as hell, but I love this business. And there you go. Y'all have a good one. Be safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.